Good morning, everybody. Thanks for joining us today on the channel. We're back out here to finish the sc400. If you guys could smash the like and subscribe button, it would give me some motivation to keep this content going. And we got plenty of content out here that just needs to be made. So let me know if you guys are enjoying it. And if you guys have any comments, go ahead and leave them down below and let me know what you guys think. We're gonna head to town and bend up an upper radiator support and get that welded in. Hold it right there. We'll run about 12 inches to our first bend. That's what we're going for right there.
12.
46. 12 to 46. 46 minus 12 is
38. No.
46.
34.
34. So we need 34 inches and then 2 bends. And the angle of the 2 bends is barely. We'll just remember barely and wing it. Luckily we got a stack of sliding T-bevels. Now don't adjust this because this is our angle.
Can I throw it? It looks like a boomerang.
More. 40 I think is going to be the sweet spot.
40 it is.
40 it is.
Here.
40 and spring back I think will be perfect. I think based on the bend where it went, our tube in the center is going to be wider, which is why we went off the smaller measurement. So we had 32 or 34. We went for 32, so now we'll probably end up with 34.
You like it, I like it.
Yeah, that looks good.
Down, down, down. Chip a little loop.
Yeah. Nope.
No persuasion stick.
Now let's set it on the ground, see if it's racked a bunch. Quarter inch, not bad. 32 to 34. 34 is what we wanted, not bent. So it looks like we're right on the money. That was a quick little trip. See if we got somewhere close. Oh, wow. Very happy with that. Got to trim it back a little. I can already envision it. Just throw a couple of posts down to here. And then all our brackets for the bumper off that. Start fabbing. All right, we went ahead and got the CAD out, the cardboard assisted design. I was showing Steven how to trace it, but he informed me he did actually go to kindergarten.
I guess
He did fail kindergarten though. I'm not really liking how this fits. I'm thinking we're gonna throw a bend here and try to wrap it around here. So let's go ahead and walk over here to the tube bender. Got these 2 plates bent up. They get welded in just like this on each side, and then we're gonna notch the corner of our core support in and wrap it right around here to there. Why is the welder so choppy? This come from? Oh, that could be lead. That's lead, bro. Don't breathe that. I got the apron reinforcements welded in, so next up we're gonna mock this bar up and trim it down to size. The upper core support needs to be about 8 inches above the frame rails. Perfect. Right there. Off the lower core support, we have 17 inches to the bottom. I'm gonna go ahead and cut 2 straight tubes and notch them to 17 inches, and that should be good to support it while we trim these and get everything to where it should be. We couldn't find any WD-40, but we found 40 weight.
Wait, look, there's 240.
All right, that's a quick little mock-up. We just cut and notched these 2 supports so we can get our height set right. Awesome progress. We got it all mocked up. We're pretty much running out of sunlight, so we're gonna clean up. See you guys in the morning. It's the next day. It seems nice and sunny, but we made it out here just in time to get rained out. Before that storm gets here, we're gonna go ahead and notch all these in. Notch all this in, and yeah, we're looking at about 1/2 inch high here, so I need to pull about 1/2 inch out of each one of these tubes. So this is the new Steinfab clamp we're selling online. It's a clamp tube. Just put your tube here, hit it, good to go. Eight and an eighth, and 7 7/8. So we're gonna try switching. Oh, hold yours. Oh, okay. We're gonna try switching these bars. right, we got the top bar notched in. Got both our heights set for 8 inches. We're welding 120 wall, so it's my welder's having a hard time biting on 110. So we're preheating the crap out of it so that we can get proper penetration. We got most of the front end welded up. We got to add a second tube. We ran down to the sc400 and grabbed this. Let's see if it fits. We can tell the fenders are pulled in quite a bit. This one looks nice and straight. This one's the main one curved in. Almost there, bro. There we go. Looks like we got the frame rails extremely close. Maybe a 16th or an 1/8 off, but considering we didn't measure anything, that's pretty good. We went ahead and took the headlight support off real quick to weld in this last bar. So now we bolted it back on and we're gonna remock the front end and see how the bumper lines up with all the correct supporting brackets. Definitely got some minor adjustments to do. I need to slightly bend the headlight support to tweak the bumper back a little, but this is incredible considering how bad this car was before. These are the lines I'm talking about. I just need to tweak that back a little, weld a bracket to it. This is looking great. Under the hood, we got the radiator in. Plenty of room for an AC condenser. We're gonna get some custom hoses, probably off a Lexus LS400. And I think the lower hose will work. We'll just order a replacement since it was damaged in the crash. That's gonna be all for today's video. Thanks for joining us, guys. Have a good night.